topic for today is Fanuc Robot Certification Exam Reviewer. Question number 1. When you turn on the teach pendant on, it will permit motion control to the operator using the teach pendant. Number 2. Things to do to avoid hard stop and over travel. You need to set access limit. Number 3. By pressing shift and hard key chord, the jog menu. The 3 ways of determining a user frame are direct entry method, 3-point method, and 4-point method. In RJ3 series controller, how many standard user frame? 9. To define a remote tool center point or RTCP, you need 3-point method, 4-point method, and direct entry. If you like this video and want some more, just comment below and don't forget to check my other video that are related to this one. What direction does the robot move in the word Y positive if the robot is mounted on the floor? To the left. What are the 2 ways to control the robot motion limits and boundaries? Dual check safety and access limit. To clear DCS fault, you need to press shift and reset. To correct singularity, you need to move the robot joint pi positive or negative 5 degrees. What are the individual types of jog speed? 50%, 75%, 100%, fine, and V-fine. You need to depress the position screen to access position. What key do you depress to change coordinate to jog in joint mode? Shift coordinate. How to clear the robot faults? Press Deadman switch together with shift and reset key. We have how many jog frames for each robot? 5 jog frames. How to jog the robot using teach pendant? Hold the Deadman switch in the center position plus shift key, then press X, Y, and Z positive or negative. By pressing shift and point, you need to record the current position of the robot. Motion command LP2 50% fine. If you wanted to change the fine component to a continuous 75, what button would you press? Select component, then press choice. To switch manually from one program to another, you have to be in which screen? Select. What hard key you are going to press to switch a program? Select key. How many robot input outputs are standard on a controller? 16 input outputs. Which hard key you are going to press when creating a program? Select key. The robot system consists of the following: a controller, teach pendant, and a mechanical robot. The recommended motion type to move the robot to a home position. Joint. What soft key permit to enter to extra program instruction into an eye pendant? Instruction. Name a few input-output signal: digital input-output, robot input-output, and analog input-output. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one.